my little sister so much.
Alright, if you guys want to take a look at that one, see if you like it right there, if you want it further, more up or down. You look straight at me now. Thank you.
It's just like my little sister though.
Alright, if you guys want to check that out and see what it looks like new.
Are you ready?
All right, baby.
Oh, look at that.
Good job, baby.
You did such a good job.
Oh, they're there. You want
You
to
did it!
Here, here's a mirror.
Want to see?
Look at that.
What do you think?
You want a sucker? Lollipop.
Harper. Harper.
Good job. They look so good.
Good job.
You want some help?
See, that wasn't so bad, right? Right. But then it wasn't too bad.
How does that thing get earrings?
How do these things get earrings?
Yeah.
They have a little, you know,